Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Xfinity Error Code 3205 playback/DRM and app refresh. Xfinity Error Code 3205 is primarily a playback or compatibility issue related to the Paramount Plus app. It often points to a corrupted app data, outdated software, or a desynced network connection. You can usually resolve this by power cycling your devices, clearing the app cache, or reinstalling the application. Fix 1. Power cycle your equipment. Unplug your Xfinity TV box and your internet modem/router from the power outlet. Then wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. Unplug the modem/gateway in first and wait for the lights to show a stable internet connection. Now plug your TV box back in and wait for it to fully boot up before launching the Paramount Plus app. Fix 2. Clear app data and cache. X1 or Flexbox. Press the Xfinity button on your remote and from there select the gear icon to go to Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to Privacy and select Clear Cookies and Local Storage Data. Now confirm your choice and try logging back into Paramount Plus to see if the stream plays. Fix 3. Refresh your Xfinity device. Sending a system refresh can help fix subscription errors or app-to-device communication issues. You can do this by using the Xfinity My Account app on your phone or by saying System Refresh into your Xfinity voice remote. Fix 4. Check for system updates. Go to Settings, inside it tap on Device Settings, then tap on About on your Xfinity box to check for updates. Alternatively, many users on the Xfinity community forum report that performing a system refresh through your settings help re-establish app compatibility. Fix 5. Reinstall the Paramount Plus app. If a refresh doesn't work, completely removing and reinstalling the app ensures you are using the cleanest, most up-to-date installation. Uninstall the app via your Xfinity apps menu, then restart the TV box and download it again from the App Store. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.